All right, so we have got for you a one-click installer for getting VoiceCraft going. That means that you can be up and working with changing voices and doing whatnot just within minutes, okay? It's not an easy install, okay, to do. You have to use the Windows subsystem for Linux, or WSL as we fondly speak of it. But we've put together scripts here so that all you have to do is download and run this one script. So it's really easy. You go on over to our Patreon site here, and you'll find it here under our member exclusive software. You can download that. You just unzip it directly to the folder that you're going to want to put that in there. There's instructions in there. Then you just open up your Windows subsystem for Linux, get to your folder, and all you're going to have to do is type // and install.sh. Okay, and then it's going to run everything. It's going to install mini conda for you. It's going to install your Python, all that good stuff. Then once that's all done, it's going to do a bunch of downloading for you. You don't got to do a thing. Then you're just going to do this. You're going to put your period, your // and you're going to type run app.po.sh. That sh means it's a script file for Linux. And check that out. And then you're just ready to go. You click on that little button there, and pops you up to here, and there you go. You've gotten going within minutes instead of banging your head for hours on getting that installed. So have fun. Head over to the Patreon site to get it, and as always, you stay good, yo.